Itemit Tutorial 18 GPS Asset Tracking. You can now use GPS trackers with itemit. This means you'll get automatic real-time location updates from your assets, and you no longer need to scan assets to know where they are. Uniquely, itemit lets you combine tracking technologies to ensure each asset is tracked efficiently. Use GPS trackers on your very expensive or in-demand assets and combine with QR codes on your other assets. GPS trackers make it easy to track assets remotely, minimizing the chances of asset theft and asset loss. Your GPS trackers can update you of your asset's location at different intervals. The itemit team will help you to configure your GPS trackers for what's most suitable for you. To use your GPS trackers, the process is simple. Once you've charged your GPS tracker, find the profile of the asset you wish to track in the web portal. Then, next to Tags, click Add. Here you will need to add your GPS tracker's IMEI number. You will find your GPS tracker's 15-digit IMEI number on the back of the box your GPS tracker arrived in, or under the barcode you can find after removing the tamper-proof pad. Once you've entered your IMEI number, your GPS tracker will link to itemit, ready for you to attach it to your asset. Your GPS trackers will update your asset's last seen location in itemit as per the set interval, but you can also press the Update button to see where your asset is right now. To purchase your GPS trackers, contact the itemit team using the contact details below or visit itemit.com. GPS tracking is quick and easy when you use itemit's asset tracking system.